the AgTerra Academy training series. In this video, we will review how to edit jobs and applications within SprayLogger. Once you've logged into the SprayLogger website, click on the Jobs and Maps button on the main page. From here, you'll see a list of your current jobs. To edit one, select the Edit tool on the right-hand side. Following that, you'll see the job information details as well as any applications that you have on it. You can change the job ID here by clicking in the box and then editing it. Change your customer, and then add any additional comments to it. You can also generate a report from this page. To edit an individual application, select an application and click the Edit tool. From here, you'll see the individual details of that particular application. If you need to make an adjustment to the gallons, you can here. And so you can see that's adjusted it. Here you can select or change your rig. Maybe your applicator selected the wrong rig. You can adjust that. And then here you can also set billing. By default, billing is to 1 unit. So in this case, I have billing is by the mile. I could do it by the hour, adjust what the rate is, and say, well, this was for 5 miles, and then that will reflect on my equipment costs. Here I can also add or edit additional applicators. So I can delete this particular applicator, or I can add other ones. Here I can see the tank mix that was used. I can change that if I need to. I can also click Details and view the information. So then if I need to make adjustments on the unit cost, I can here as well. Here's another spot where I can make an adjustment to the amount applied. I can also see my weather details here. If I need to add an additional weather entry, I can do that by clicking Date and then adding those details. And if there's any additional cost items, maybe you have a fuel surcharge, whatever the case is, you can put in the name of that item, the quantity, and then the cost per unit, and that will be added to your amount. And then if you have any Strider forms that you'd like to add additional details to your report, you can do it here by hitting Add New Form and then selecting a Strider form and then filling it out. And then lastly, targets. Now with targets, if you select a particular target, that will be added to every spray line that you have on your map. So please keep that in mind. It's not going to be able to individually distinguish this line or that line. It's going to add it to every line, but you can do that here. And then if you have any comments, you can find that here or any associated GPX tracks. Everything will automatically save once you hit close. Thank you very much. This has been the AgTerra Academy presentation on how to edit jobs and applications within SprayLogger.